We're here in KDR and our princess, 14-year-old Shana Banan, is about to compete for the first time. And there she is. And this is the bike that she's gonna use.
Proceed na po siya sa finish line. Tignan natin kung anong oras.
Alright, so si Ma'am Shana Tamayo, number 182, ay nakikipag-compete din pala siya sa
motocross rider
international. International. So, expert talaga si Ma'am Shana. Nakita nyo naman yung kanyang pagpasok is gigil talaga. Tapos,
ang gamit niya pala ate, ang madalas na gamit niya is KTM 85cc. So ito, 85cc is sports bike.
hindi, parang ganyan din. Pero, kahit na nakikipag-compete siya, madalas siya nakikipag-compete sa international. First time lang daw nakapag-ride using 400cc. Kasi 400cc is considered as street bike na rin.
Oo.
So, tignan natin kung paano siya mag-perform. First time, so tignan natin kung gano'n siya mag-perform. Minsan kasi kapag bago naman yung motor na gamit, magagawin yung mga bigat, mas malaki. Hindi yung first time, so yung paano ka mag-perform sa talagang bike mo is mag-ingat. At looking good kasi tignan mo naman hindi siya lumalagpas sa kanyang linya dito sa ating snowman. At patapos na siya. Ang bilis kasi hindi man natin siya nakita nag-slide o nag-struggle dyan sa pabilog kaya at well balance at nakatayo pa siya. At kita mo talaga yung knowledge niya sa pagkalugar ko. Shoutout nga pala si Erika Aquiles from Shell Orani Marjeline Ramos.
And saying hi din kay Hiro Soriano na nanonood ngayon. Support kay March Ramos as well. Sabi niya, bangon lang pag bumagsak. Magulo lang. Energy. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga ating manonood on Facebook. And again, do not forget to share.
Lord.
So, can I say a shout out to my high school friends?
Of course. We have all the time today.
No, because so I'm from Bulacan, so I just want to say hi to all of my schoolmates from Holy Spirit Academy of Malolos, and they're also riders. We also have the but it's Vespa, but and they also have
Since nandito na po kayo, ano masasabi niyo sa performance ng ating rider?
Sis Tamayo.
Si Ma'am Shana Tamayo, nakita ko na. Sakto-sakto nung pinapa-judge ko sa'yo, tumalon.
I know, right?
Tumalon.
Very inspiring, actually. She's really a good rider. You know, I've seen her videos. For her age, she's really she has mastered it, and it's continuous learning. I'm pretty sure there will still be more improvements on her riding skills. But as is for her age, she's really exceptional. I know she's being coached by Sam Tamayo,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken. So kudos to Coach Sam Tamayo also, of course. Each rider or athlete will not be as good as who they are when they ride without proper training and guidance of their coaches.
Good job, Shana! sobrang nakakatakot yan. Sobrang risky niyan and she did it. I'm so proud of you, Banana. Kuya, sana elephant turn. Pero okay lang, kahit sumep lang na siya dyan, okay na.
Maybe later we can ask Miss Ella, the wife of Sir Alfred, how she takes the vibe.
Oh my goodness.
Kasi sa dami ng best pa, hindi mo na alam kung ano ba yung ito, ano ba yung dami, di ba? Basta po na yung
Mickey Mouse. Did you get the 946?
Grabe, ang galing mo sana.
The 946.
Yeah! Here we go, kuya.
Okay, nag-drop si Shana sa elephant turn. But she's almost at the end of the race.
Tapos na siya, at nasa 8 minutes,
8 minutes, 29 seconds.
pinipilit pa rin yung mga kasama na sa akin talaga. Iniisip eh, pinatry talaga yung best niya para makikita niya. Yung pigment,
The position of the center.
yun nga ang ano dito, challenge pa. Pag umulan, wala, hindi gagalawin. Kung ano yung condition ng
As is.
yun ang challenge kasi dito.
Oh, okay. Congratulations, Shanna.
Ayan, congratulations kay Shana.
Hey, good job. Good job.